So my name is Brett Polk. I'm the General Manager for Score Promotions. We're located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We have a second office in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So Score's life before commonsku was really all over the place, where we had sales reps in our QuickBooks system, which as a company you do not want, creating purchase orders and being able to edit purchase orders. We were using Salesforce, which is a great tool, but it just didn't have everything that we really needed for our industry. Our life with commonsku is refreshing, to say the least. It's one ecosystem that, from the ownership to my position, right down to our CSR, our fulfillment team, everybody can see and work in one system. So if you're doing a presentation, if you are looking for an invoice, if you're looking for a certain purchase order that is relevant for a job that was done a year and a half ago, you can find it at the touch of a button, and you can see every aspect of that job. And what I really love is the overview section. It paints a story every single time of what we are going through from start to finish. When we introduced that we were going to jump onto commonsku and go full tilt with commonsku, there was some reluctancy because we had put them through two systems before that. So some of the people were like, here we go again. But once we introduced it, and the incredible team at commonsku, led by Aaron and his team, that walked us through step by step how we would utilize each part of the system, it was refreshing. And I'll continue to use that word because it was just something that everybody said, aha, I get this now. I understand why ownership and management really want us to live in one ecosystem, and information flows so easily, quickly, and it's always there for you. Look, if you're a distributor and you're sitting rocking on the fence of whether I go commonsku or I look at other platforms and I start trying to create plugins to make my life easier, just take the plunge and go on the system, jump right in with 2 feet. You're gonna find it an easy learning curve, and you're gonna really find your team come together. And that's what we found, is that everyone can really collaborate easily. They can see what every other department is doing at a touch of a button and in live time. It's much more than just a CRM system, and it's much more than just a tool that allows you to create presentations, create estimates, create sales orders, purchase orders to your vendors, but it brings in a lot of people globally. It allows you to collaborate with other distributors, with other vendors at a touch of a button. You can reach out and someone's reaching back almost instantaneously. So if you have a team of 3, if you have a team of 20, if you're like us with a team of 52, you now have a team of over a couple thousand people. And that's what I would say about commonsku.